Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I am here with two orders. One is from Joggles and the other one is from Only One Life Creation. And I'll start with Only One Life Creation. They have a clearance section and I go in and check it once a week or so. And they had Delusion stamps on clearance that I've been keeping my eye on for a while, and I grabbed them. There are these ones with the dresses and the hats, and they can put different heads on them if you want, or you don't have to put a head on them at all. And then there's this one, and then this one, and this one I think personally could be guy or girl in my opinion. And then this one, and it says fashion is what you buy, style is what you do with it. And then there's this one, and it says say classy, say a little bad sassy. Now stay classy, sassy, and a little bad assy. It's hard to read through the plastic. I'll have to take that out. Hang on. Give me 1 second. 1 second, everybody. I'm trying to figure out the glare. Alright. It says, stay classy, sassy, and a little bad assy. Okay. A-S-S-Y. Yep. So I got down that one, and I don't. Some were 6 and some were 8, but I couldn't tell you at the moment which is which. Then my Joggles order, and I make a wish list in Joggles, and I usually try to throw in one of my wish with an order, and it was this one. It was on my wish list for a while. Of course, it's Delusion. It's my favorite artist. Another body. I can't wait. I haven't been using any of my stuff that I recently bought because this week we've been painting the house. We got the living room painted, the kitchen painted. I washed all the walls last week, and through the last week and this weekend we washed walls. We painted Monday and we painted Tuesday. Today I painted the heat vents, or not heat vents. Oh yeah, heat vents, things on the wall. The long ones, heat vents. They were old looking, so I stripped them of the paint that was on them, and I repainted them. I did that today. Tomorrow, I am taping up all the trim in my craft room I'm doing and starting painting that one, possibly tomorrow. But I kind of twigged my back a little bit today, so I think I might take a break of painting tomorrow, the craft room. But it's looking good. The neighbor came and saw it today, and she's like, oh my god, what a difference. And it's refreshing. And day by day. So I got this, and then they came out with this by Elizabeth Sinclair, and they are so cool that I bought 2 packs of them. I can't wait to do mixed media with these. And I'll show you. They're old movie stars. So we got Audrey Hepburn. We got Frida Kahlo. And I just got that magazine with her in. Right here. Right there. Same pose, same image. I guess not, but it's the same person. Yeah, because I also got the animal. Yeah. Frida Kahlo. And there's a nice article in here about her. And so I got that. She's in there. And there she is again. And Hedy Lamarr, or Hedy Lamarr, and Hedy Lamarr. And a vintage actress. I've seen her in a lot of images, whoever this lady is. So I got 2 sets, and they're this nice rice paper. I thought they were so cool looking, so I got them. And they came back in stock with these. That's what this on in the back. I like working with them, so I got that pack as well. And that's my order, guys. But like I said, I've been playing. I've been packing. My craft room, you can't even see the other side. It's all boxes. Because in a month's time, I will be moved. Well, the end of July, we will be moved down into our house. But next week, I will start moving boxes down. So, that's why you haven't seen me do any live videos. Because I have been busting my butt getting the house ready for us to move in. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.